Kuwe mlaleli, ngiyethemba ukuthi phela-ke mina ngizocela kuwe-ke laphana-ke ukuthi-ke uma ngabe usamusha-ke kulona-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke wenze okulungile-ke laphana-ke ungixhase-ke ucindezele-ke ibhathini subscribe nje akubiza imali kumahhala nje ukhiphe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzokwazi phela ukuthi-ke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje engizobe ngiyifaka-ke kulona-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke ukuze ngingakuphothisi izindaba ongenza njengamanje ngakucindezela-ke ibhathini o-subscribe njengamanje-ke udaba kulethele lona-ke namhlanje-ke laphana-ke ukuthi ufike eMbalula uphinde wagadla-ke futhi-ke laphana-ke ku-Jacob Zuma-ke nge-MK-ke veza-ke okuningi-ke laphana-ke kodwa-ke engingafuni-ke mina ukuthi-ke wakuzwa ngami. Phendula nje dlala ividiyo yakho uyizwele wena ukuthi-ke uthini-ke. Mina ngicela laphana masizwile-ke le video le ungene ema-comment section-ke ushiye uvo lakho ukuthi na-ke ucabangani-ke ngawo lokho kushiwo-ke nguye-ke ufikile eMbalula-ke ngoZuma-ke bese uyangixhasa-ke ucindezele-ke ibhathini subscribe nje akubiza imali kumahhala nje ukhiphe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzokwazi phela ukuthi-ke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje engizobe ngiyifaka kulona-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke ukuze ngingakuphothisi izindaba ongakwenza njengamanje ngabe ucindezela-ke lelo bhathini subscribe njengamanje-ke nayo-ke le video-ke awuyithokozele.
No, he's expelled. He has appealed exactly within the prescription of the Constitution. So we are not entertaining that. That matter is with the NTCA, is dealing with that matter with him. And so that is not an issue. Jacob Zuma is just confusing himself and at the same time, and the general populace. But he does that because there's a mileage he's scoring out of that. Because the MK party, it's a project. It's not an organization. It's a project, and it will remain as such. For the party, they were toiling, mobilizing on the ground. He has chucked them out to show that it is a project. He has chucked them out. He has brought in his friends who never campaigned for MK party and all of that. So he must build this party. We will be concerned with our own business. We understand that it's not an organization, it's a project. And its objectives, we understand them. It's basically to undermine and weaken the leadership of the ANC. And that is what that project is about. And that's what they want to actually achieve. So we are very much focused on the task of building the ANC and so on.